welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can install Laravel on your Mac device. So first thing that you need to do is go to the browser and search for laravel.com, which is the official website of Laravel, and then you go on documentation button, and now on documentation you click on your first Laravel project. So here we have a small guide on how we can create our first Laravel project. So we need to ensure that we have PHP and Composer installed. If you don't have that, then you might want to install it via Homebrew. So I'm gonna open that. Now, if you don't have Homebrew installed, just go on copying this command here and downloading it on terminal. But I do already have it installed, so I'm just gonna move on installing PHP and Composer. So I'm gonna type PHP, click on the first one, and then you will get an install command. We're gonna copy this command right here, and then we'll paste it out on our terminal. So once you have PHP installed, you will go back and do the same thing for Composer. So to check whether the installations were successful, we will type php-v. So this will print out the current version of the PHP that I am using. I am using 8.1. So Composer. I also do have Composer installed because I will get these available commands. So once you have installed Composer and PHP, you will go to the website, and we're going to select the first command right there. We're going to copy that, and we're heading to terminal. But first, before pasting this command, which will create our first Laravel project, you might want to specify the folder where you want to download it. So for me, it will be a documents folder. And then in documents, I also have another folder. Inside this folder named PHP, I am going to download my Laravel project. So in the last section of this command, where it says example app, you might want to specify your project name. For me, it would be Laravel app. So now we have our first Laravel project created into our folder. And now to open this, we will go to our text editor. So I am using Visual Studio Code. Once you have opened that, you go to File and click on Open Folder. And then you will select your path where you have downloaded your Laravel project. For me, it's Documents, Development, and PHP. Then you click on your project, you click on Open, and then you will get a bunch of folders and files shown in your Explorer tab. So this is a default directory structure from Laravel, and each one of these folders and files that you see here have their own purposes and functionalities when building a Laravel app. But this is something that I'm going to show you in the next video, where I will go over each folder to help you get started with Laravel easier. So now I am going to show you how you can launch your project in the web browser. So what you need to do is go to the Laravel website and copy the last the last command, which is php artisan serve. So artisan is also a thing that you might need to know in order to get started with Laravel. It is basically the name of a command line in Laravel, and it provides a number of helpful commands while developing your app, like creating controllers, creating database tables, or models. But for now, we only need to start our server, and you can do that with php artisan serve. We have already copied this command, so once we have done that, we go to the terminal of our text editor, and then we paste out our command, our php artisan serve, and what this will do is basically run our project into our local host server, which is the 127.0.01 IP address. So this is the IP address that we're going to copy, and we're going to run on the browser. And then you will get this pre-built website from Laravel. So that was how to create your first Laravel project on Mac. In the next video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get started with Laravel project by showing you some concepts that Laravel uses. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Leave a like if it was, and see you next time.